The scene is jarring. One moment, a symbol of American manufacturing prowess hums with activity. The next, it's frozen, shrouded in uncertainty. This is the stark reality facing many U.S. industries after a move by China sent shockwaves through the global economy. In December 2024, China announced an immediate ban on exporting gallium, germanium, and antimony to the United States. This decision, a retaliatory response to escalating trade tensions, has thrown American industries reliant on these critical minerals into disarray. The impact is immediate and far-reaching. Production lines reliant on these materials grind to a halt. Inventories dwindle. The carefully calibrated rhythm of global trade is disrupted, leaving businesses grappling with uncertainty and scrambling for solutions. The sudden silence in factories across the U.S. is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of the global economy and the vulnerability of supply chains in the face of geopolitical tensions. This is a story of strategic resources, economic warfare, and the high-stakes battle for technological dominance. China's decision to restrict exports of gallium, germanium, and antimony is no accident. These are not just obscure elements on the periodic table. They are the lifeblood of key industries, vital ingredients in everything from smartphones and laptops to electric vehicles and fighter jets. China holds a commanding position in the production of these critical minerals. It accounts for over 80% of global gallium production, 60% of germanium, and a significant portion of antimony. This dominance gives China outsized leverage in the global marketplace. The ban is a calculated move, a shot across the bow in the ongoing trade war with the United States. By restricting access to these essential materials, China aims to inflict economic pain on U.S. industries and gain a strategic advantage in key technological sectors. The move has sent shockwaves through Washington and exposed the vulnerabilities of relying on a single country for critical supplies. The U.S. now faces a stark choice: find alternative sources quickly or risk falling behind in the race for technological supremacy. The impact of China's export ban is being felt most acutely in industries heavily reliant on gallium, germanium, and antimony. These materials are not easily replaceable, and their absence has sent ripples of disruption through multiple sectors. The electronics industry, a cornerstone of the American economy, is reeling. Gallium nitride is essential for high-performance chips used in smartphones, laptops, and data centers. Germanium is crucial for fiber optic cables and infrared technology. The ban has choked the supply of these components, leading to production delays, rising costs, and a scramble for alternative suppliers. The automotive industry is also feeling the pinch. Electric vehicle batteries rely heavily on graphite, and while China hasn't fully banned graphite exports, it has implemented stricter controls. This uncertainty in the supply chain has slowed production and raised concerns about the future of electric vehicle manufacturing in the U.S. The defense sector is facing perhaps the most worrying consequences. Antimony is a crucial component in night vision goggles, armor-piercing ammunition, and other military equipment. The U.S. relies heavily on Chinese antimony, and the ban has created a strategic vulnerability, forcing the Pentagon to explore costly and time-consuming alternatives. Section 4. Global Economic Shockwaves. China's export ban is not just an American problem. Its effects are reverberating throughout the global economy, disrupting supply chains, increasing prices, and fueling uncertainty in the marketplace. The ban has exposed the fragility of the globalized economy, where intricate networks of suppliers and manufacturers depend on the smooth flow of goods and materials. The sudden disruption in the supply of these critical minerals has sent businesses scrambling to adjust, leading to delays, shortages, and higher costs. Consumers are feeling the pinch as the prices of electronics, cars, and other goods rise. The uncertainty created by the ban has also dampened investment and slowed economic growth, raising concerns about a global recession. The ban has also highlighted the strategic importance of critical minerals and the need for diversified supply chains. Countries around the world are now reassessing their reliance on China and exploring alternative sources for these essential materials. Section 5. Charting a course forward. In the face of China's strategic maneuver, the United States finds itself at a crossroads, needing to chart a new course to secure its economic and technological future. This will require a multi-pronged approach involving diplomacy, investment, and innovation. In the short term, the United States must engage in dialogue with China to de-escalate trade tensions and find a resolution to the export ban. This will require delicate diplomacy and a willingness to find common ground. Simultaneously, the United States needs to aggressively pursue alternative sources for these critical minerals. This includes investing in domestic mining and refining capacity, as well as forging partnerships with countries like Australia, Canada, and Brazil that possess significant reserves. Long-term, the United States must reduce its dependence on China for key technologies and materials. This requires investing heavily in research and development, fostering innovation, and creating a more resilient and diversified supply chain. The road ahead is challenging, but the stakes are high. The United States must act decisively and strategically to navigate this new economic landscape and ensure its continued prosperity and security in a world increasingly defined by technological competition.